Hello. Those are the prices and quantities, and we are going to use to create the demand equation. Okay, the solution, the first part is take the slot, replace values, and find a slot. Um, and it's the same in this part. Uh, Replace the values in the equation and find the demand equation.
In the other hand, here we have the prices and the quantities that we are going to use to create the supply equation. So the first step is to find the slot with this formula, and after that replace the values on this equation to find the supply equation.
Finally, we have to make an equality between quantities of the demand and quantities of supply. And we are going to solve the P, replace the values, the optimal prices, sorry, and find the optimal quantities.
We have found the equilibrium of the market, but now the second part of the exercise is to find the quantity that we trade with the tax. We have a tax of 10,000 pesos, and here we have three equations. The first is the demand equation, the second is the supply equation, and the third is an equality of the amount of the price of the tax related to prices, demand price, supply price. We have to make a transformation of this equation to be able to replace that on the demand equation. Now we have to make an equality between the demand equation and the supply equation. Now here we have just one unknown factor, so we have to solve it for supply price, and here we have the value of the supply price after the algebraic process. So finally, to find the demand price, we just replace this value on this equation, and here we have the demand price.
And this part replace the values of demand prices and supply prices to find the quantities with tax on the market and the same results. This is the graph represents of exercise. This rectangle represents the government income, and a triangle is debt weight loss. And right triangle is consumer surplus, and this one is producer surplus. This point is quantities with the tax on the market, and this is a fine.
Now we are going to find the values of the areas that my friend named on the graph. So here we have the government income, and that area is a rectangle. So we have to remember the formula that is the multiplication between the base and the height. So that's it. The government income, and we have this amount. And after that, here we have the consumer and the producers surplus, and we have to remember that's the area of a right triangle. So we have the formula here, that is the multiplication between base and height, that divided by 2. So we applicate the formula and replace the values that we have. So here we have the consumer surplus and the producers surplus with the tax, obviously. And this final part is the debt with loss. But this is a special case because we have to divide the triangle to find two right triangles. So the first triangle is the same formula, and the second the same. We replace the values, and at the end we make a sum between those values, and we find the amount of the dead weight loss.